Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been 7 years since my last video. Let's do a makeup tutorial. So today I'm inspired to do a Frosty makeup. It's very trendy on TikTok. So if you're on TikTok, don't forget to follow me. Nada's Beauty Lounge. First step, you want to make sure your skin is clean. There's no residue of makeup or oil. I also wanted to sanitize my hands with alcohol. Now we're going to straight into skin prep. I'm using Amberleys. It's the sensitive one. It's so good. My skin is a bit dry at the moment, so I usually have like combination skin. I've been trying this new skincare and it actually dries out my skin. Massage thoroughly into your skin. And then we'll use the Alba serum, the yellow ones. I moved it to a smaller bottle because it's easy to carry everywhere. Well, it's slightly dry now. We'll just spray. While we're waiting for the skincare to absorb, we're gonna do our eyes first. That's what I usually do anyways. For the eyebrows, I will be using eyebrow powder. Any brow powder will work, but I'm using the Melissa Assassin, and I think this one in the shade dark brown. I can't really remember because like it's gone, like the lid's gone, everything's gone. I've been using this for so long. Actually, I got my lip balm. Where's that makeup bag? I'm gonna be using lip balm. This is from Kiko Milano, the best. When I said the best. Lip volume plumping effect lip cream. Honestly, they're very good at moisturizing but not pumping, you know, like, I don't know. Maybe it's just for me. So for the last 7 years, I have been doing my makeup course professionally. I also did my beauty course. So since the last video that you probably watched, that I was wearing red eyeshadow, cut crease gold with red lipstick, that actually seems really illegal. But we all start somewhere. And then nothing really, just when I went to Europe this year, which was very exciting. First time ever. Would I go back? Maybe, but not anytime soon. Not saying that much money, just to be happy, you know, like that. Yeah, I think for me, at least, it's like a one-off thing to do, you know, like unless you're really rich. I would rather go somewhere else. In Africa, I would like to go to safari and stuff. And I'm the type of person that I like to go explore more rather than going to one place multiple times. For the eyeshadow base, I'm using P. Louise. I mixed these two because this one would be too light. So that Frosty Makeup is very cool tone. Okay, now blend. I'm using this brush. I also not sure from where, because like the logo is one. But yes, dense and round. They're not too fluffy, a little bit fluffy, but more like dense to blend out the concealer. Make sure you press down, not dragging. What else? Actually, a few weeks ago, I was attending TikTok Awards. I wasn't invited, it was my friend. And basically, I'm just the first one. And it was crazy how actually big their awards. Now, the reason why I started posting as well, because I'm inspired. I've seen all these guys or people from TikTok, you know, from For You page, and it was so fun to see them in real life. It was an honor to be there. Because you don't buy the tickets, you get invited to go there. It's crazy what the internet does for, you know, seeing all these people winning awards. Next, I'm gonna be using Makeup by Maria palette, Master Matte Neutrals. I'm gonna be using a transition shade MN8. MAC, I will be using smaller brush. That's the difference. More detail. MN10. And then we're just focusing at the outer corner. And then the bend. Oh my god, I actually like this color. That's my color. Okay. Next, I'm gonna get a little bit underneath here. My eyebrow brush. Go in with MN9 eyeliner. Just tricks if you want to do it. We want to practice with the eye shadow base. Jack Cosmetic Diamond Powder Kira. So good. This stuff. Slightly flat, small brush. I usually use glue, but I didn't want to stay all night for this one because I'm going to work and I don't want my client sees, oh my god, why does she have so much glitter on her eyes? So I'm not gonna put glue, but you can if you want, so it lasts longer. But in this case, I just want to do TikTok video. Tapping very gentle because glitter is one thing that is very hard also to get it off. See? For the foundation, you need complexion blender brush. This brush is so good. I'm using Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer. I know, don't say anything. Trust the process. Bit of my nose, forehead. Next, we go straight to the blush. I'm using Rare Beauty in shade Happy. I got Frosty Makeup. Next, we're going to use powder in the shade Y3 Warm by Melissa Sassin. Huda Beauty in the color Cherry Blossom. Look at the difference. I'm using NYX Buttermilk Bronzer in the shade Deserve Butter. Go back with the Melissa Sassin powder to sort of clean up in here. Blush. I'm gonna mix two color. One is from Sephora, one is from Mecca. The Sephora one in color Floated Up. Mecca Chic. So that's the color. Mix the two. Yeah, lipstick, and I'm using my blush liquid. I'm gonna be using Universal Earth from Makeup Forever. Lip gloss from Huda Beauty in color Ooh Baby. I forgot highlighter. This is the scene in the color Halo Glow Lighter. Thank you for watching, guys.